Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare very easy and simple way of making beef steak. So let's see what all ingredients we need. We are using very minimum amount of ingredients. So for that I have taken 3 pieces of sirloin beef steak pieces, 2 tablespoons of Himalayan salt, or if you don't have Himalayan salt, you can use any rock salt, 3 tablespoons of butter, 6 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of pepper powder, cooking oil as needed, and I have taken 1 sweet corn fresh and 1 big broccoli I cut into florets. So first step we have to marinate the beef with pepper powder and Himalayan salt, and we have to keep it aside for 1 hour for marination. Second step, we have to cook the sweet corn in boiling water. Third step, we have to stir fry the broccoli florets. So let's do the first step now. I am going to marinate the beef steak pieces with I am adding 2 tablespoons of Himalayan salt now and pepper powder 2 tablespoons. You can increase the amount if you like, and we can marinate it. Now I have done marinating the beef with pepper powder and Himalayan salt. I have done marinating, so I am going to keep it aside for 1 hour. If you don't have raw Himalayan salt, you can use raw salt. So let's do cover with a cling wrap now. I have covered the beef marination with a cling wrapper. So if you don't have a cling wrap, you can use any lid to close, and you can keep it aside for 1 hour. So all the ingredients will bind together and it will make the beef moist. I have done cooking the sweet corn in hot boiling water with salt. Now I am going to season this corn with lemon juice, little bit of chili powder and salt. If you like to add more flavors, you can add. If you like to add butter, you can do that way. After 1 hour, as you can see, all the ingredients marinated well. So now I am going to make the steak. For that I have kept one cast iron pan, or you can use any heavy bottom pan. In that, keep the pan in high flame. In that I am going to add 2 tablespoons of any cooking oil. Now the oil is hot. We are going to add the pieces. Make sure all the sides are cooking well. Flip it side by side. As you can see, this side got brown. So we can flip to the sidewise. Adjust the flame from medium to high. Now I am going to add the butter pieces. When the both sides semi-cooked, we can add the butter. I have added 1.5 tablespoon right now. If you need, you can add more. After that, after 5 minutes, we can add the crushed garlic with the butter. If you want to add any herbs, you can add now. Once we add the garlic, it will give a nice aroma and flavor to the beef slices. We have to flip the pieces each and every 10 minutes. So it will cook perfectly all the sides. If you want to add more butter, you can add. Now I am adding other tablespoon of butter again. It is cooked well, and you can pour this butter and garlic paste on the top of each pieces. So it will give a good taste. Our steak is cooked well, so we can take out from the pan now. In the same butter, I am going to toast the broccoli. Make sure every side is cooked well. In the same butter and garlic mixture, I am going to add the broccoli. Give a good toss. Broccoli now toast well. Just we need only 3 to 5 minutes. Now steak is ready. So I am going to cut. As you can see, all sides are cooked well and it is in brown color. So let's cut it and see the inside. Before cutting, you have to keep it for 10 minutes in the room temperature. See, it nicely cooked. It's very easy to make with simple ingredients as we have in home. We don't need any extra sauces or any extra ingredients to marinate. Here I am going to serve this steak with the broccoli which we toast in the same butter and garlic mix and the sweet corn. Hope you like this recipe. Please do like, share, subscribe and press the button to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.